केंद्रीय रेल मंत्री अश्विनी वैष्णव ने तेलंगाना में चल रहे रेलवे स्टेशन निर्माण और पुनर्विकास कार्यों की समीक्षा की। उन्होंने बताया कि राज्य में रेलवे इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर को मजबूत करने के लिए कई परियोजनाओं पर तेजी से काम किया जा रहा है। रेल मंत्री ने कहा, आधुनिक सुविधाओं से लैस रेलवे स्टेशन यात्रियों को बेहतर अनुभव देने के साथ साथ क्षेत्रीय कनेक्टिविटी को भी बढ़ावा देंगे। हैदराबाद में केंद्रीय रेल मंत्री अश्विनी वैष्णव ने तेलंगाना के रेलवे स्टेशनों के निर्माण कार्यों की प्रगति की जानकारी दी। उन्होंने कहा, राज्य में रेलवे नेटवर्क के विस्तार और स्टेशनों के आधुनिकीकरण पर विशेष ध्यान दिया जा रहा है। रेलवे स्टेशनों को यात्रियों की सुविधाओं के अनुरूप विकसित किया जा रहा है, जिसमें बेहतर यात्री सुविधाएं, आधुनिक प्लेटफॉर्म, स्वच्छता व्यवस्था और अन्य जरूरी सुविधाओं को शामिल किया जा रहा है। केंद्र सरकार का लक्ष्य रेलवे इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर को मजबूत कर यात्रियों को सुरक्षित, सुविधाजनक और तेज यात्रा का अनुभव देना है।
Please go and see the work which is there on the ground. The actual work, the building work, construction work is going on very rapidly, and those of you who will ask that when will it be completed, because my friends outside from the Congress will ask this question, let me answer them that in the world when they do a railway redevelopment work, they stop the traffic. Some countries, some examples are there where for 7 years traffic was stopped. We cannot stop the traffic. So we have to do with great care while the traffic is still there. So that's why we are doing with that kind of care. Look at this one. This is the complete air concourse being built over the platforms, right? So while the trains are actually moving on the tracks, in the station, we have to construct this air concourse, which is like a roof like this over all the platforms. So we have to be extremely careful. We are working very diligently, lot of care, lot of safety, lot of focus on quality. This will be the Hyderabad station, the old city. Sir, Nampally station. This is now station which is completed, which will now be inaugurated, Begumpet. This is already completed now, and very soon we'll inaugurate it. Honorable Prime Minister will inaugurate it. And this is our own high-tech city, completed already. Go and see it, have good coffee there. This is Warangal, completed. Warangal is completed already. This is Karimnagar. Already completed. Already done, completed now. Out of the 1,300 stations that we have taken up in the entire country, 261 stations have already been completed at a pace which was unprecedented. Why I am saying unprecedented? From 1947 onwards, if you look at our history after independence, no government ever took the redevelopment, which is complete reconstruction, Nav Nirman, complete reconstruction of the stations which were old. Yes, sometimes paint was done and ribbons were cut. Sometimes different small little amenities were added. But our Prime Minister took the challenge of reconstructing, fully transforming, not just one station, two stations, three stations, but 1,300 stations. That is the challenge he has given. So out of that, 261 now already completed, and by the end of this year it will be 400 stations completed, and by end of next year 700 stations would have been completed. Totally transforming the railways.